Hello everyone. Today you are going to learn how to make stop motion step by step. Let's start. Materials: a tripod or something to hold your phone. The app Stop Motion Studio installed on your phone. Steps. Step 1. Open Stop Motion Studio and tap on New Movie. Step 2. Place your tripod or home holder in your recording set. Step 3. Put your main object in front of the camera and place background objects where needed. Step 4. Move the main objects slightly and take a picture. Repeat the process. Move the object a little and take another picture. Don't forget to take a photo after each movement. Step 6. When you finish with your animation, if it looks too fast or too slow, adjust. And that's it. Now you know how to make a stop motion. Thanks for watching. See you next time.